Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a vlog style either day in my life or week in my life. I'm not exactly sure. I do have some things planned for next week, but today is Friday. I'm not exactly sure the date, the 7th or 8th, something like that. But yeah, so I was thinking of doing maybe not like a full week in my life to next Friday, but maybe do it till next Wednesday, so I can get this video up by Thursday. So yeah, today I'm just going to be doing a lot of filming and film a YouTube video, and also do some pictures for my Instagram and get some blog posts done. It's been super busy in New York, so I'm gonna try and take you along with me and just do some shots so y'all can kind of see how it's been living here in New York.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go?
Okay, so we just got home. This is super bright right here, but like anywhere else in my apartment, it's like super dark. Try and set this up on my AC unit. Super New York City. But yeah, we just got back from, holy crap, it's like 1. Oh my gosh, it is so bright. It's like this one strip is super bright and that's dark. I can't tell what looks better, but I look super greasy right here. Anyways, so we just got back from Midtown, went to Flatiron. We went and got dinner, or lunch slash dinner at, what was it called? Oh, the Smith. The food's good, but the service is what gets me, and I don't know, just giving all my opinion. Yeah, so I'm just back. I just made some popcorn. It was insane down there. There was a lot of protests going on and just a bunch. It was very hectic down there, so I'm glad to be back up in my little area. I'm like squinting. But yeah, I'm excited to be back up in my area, and I'm about to actually watch the Fosters 3-night series finale thing. I wasn't able to watch that. This is getting super bright. I'll try and hold it. But yeah, I wasn't able to watch the Fosters oh, there we go. That is so much better. I just squinted for nothing. But yeah, I haven't watched like anything, any YouTube, any TV shows, anything. So I'm about to sit down, watch that, get caught up, and yeah, we'll talk to y'all either later or tomorrow morning. Good morning. Okay, I'm about to go drop my laundry off at a dry cleaner's for the first time, and I'm kind of nervous because I'm not gonna say it, but you know, it's uncomfortable. So I'm gonna go try that out, and I'm gonna try a bunch of different kind of options. There's apps that you can have someone pick it up, or I can go do it myself. I just need to find a good laundromat in my area, or if I have to travel to one, that'll be fine as well. But yeah, I'm just trying out some options for getting my laundry done. And then I need to go grocery shopping. I need to go to Zara to get something, and then I think that's it. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of bring y'all along with me.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out.
So we are now walking to the subway, and we're gonna go down and eat Fiorello for breakfast, and I'll try and get as much as I can. I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my bed,
smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you.
Okay, so my camera is blinking at me. It's about to die, but it is right now 7:30 and I am just relaxing today. My mom actually left, so I have been extremely sad and have just been doing some work, and I'm actually about to start editing my moving vlog to get that up for y'all on Tuesday, and this I think will be going up Friday. So I can get back in the swing of things. But yeah, I'm just really sad that my mom left, and so I was just kind of hanging out and took a bath and walked Ellie and just had a chill rest of my day. So really didn't do much after what y'all kind of saw earlier, other than walking Ellie. But yeah, I have a lot planned for this week, so it was nice to have this evening just to relax because the rest of this week is going to be really busy. So yeah, I was going to end today here, and then I will talk to y'all in the morning. Good morning. I just woke up, if you can't tell by my voice, and I'm like still half asleep. It's 6:40 a.m. and I'm gonna go walk Ellie for her morning walk. I'll film a little bit while I'm walking, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit.
Bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better.
Okay, so I just finished doing my yoga and meditation for the morning, and I just made some breakfast, and there's Ellie. She's like staring down at my breakfast. And yeah, I'm watching Twilight, Breaking Dawn Part 1, because that's like my favorite movie series. I know I'm a nerd because a lot of people make fun of me for watching that. Well, not really make fun, but they're like, people still watch that. I'm like, yep, I still watch it. I just made myself an omelet with spinach and cheese, a waffle, and then I made myself some pink lemonade earlier this morning in like my jug. And yeah, now I'm just watching Twilight, and then after this, if I'm still hungry, which I doubt I will be, I'll make a fruit bowl, but I'm not really in the mood to make one right now, so we will see. And she wants my food, but she's not gonna get any because you don't eat human food, okay? You don't eat human food. You have a sensitive tummy. Okay, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, so I am about to head out. I'm gonna go to 5th Avenue and get my dad his Father's Day. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to get my dad, oh, there's something on the camera. I'm going to get my dad his Father's Day present, and I'm going to go look at a few other things for some gifts I have to get in the upcoming months. And yeah, I think after that, then I have to go to the post office. I need to go get some grocery items and some flowers for my apartment, and then I need to go pick up my laundry in a little bit. But I'm gonna come back here after I go to 5th Avenue just so I can let Ellie out and we can go for an afternoon walk, and then after that I'll go do the rest of my stuff. So I'll try and film as much as I can. I'm still trying to get used to it, and honestly I'm super insecure and nervous about it, about like filming in front of people. So I'll try my best. So fingers crossed I get some stuff out of this. But yeah, I will talk to y'all in a little bit.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey y'all, okay, so I don't know the last time I talked to y'all, or the last thing y'all saw, maybe it was when I was at Barnes & Noble. I went ahead and picked up 2 books while I was at Barnes & Noble. One of the books I've already actually read over a dozen times. It's actually my all-time favorite book. It's called Walking Disaster, and there is 3 books, I believe. It's a trilogy. Walking Disaster, though, is from the main guy's point of view. Like I was saying, Walking Disaster is from the main guy's point of view. And I love it from his point of view more than hers. Hers is good too, but his, I don't know, I find it more interesting. And I've actually read it so much that the pages were like falling out. It was just like getting really bad, and I inevitably lost the book. So in the travels of moving here, so I have bought it again. After that, I kind of just came back and relaxed. Took Ellie for a walk. We actually walked down to go pick up my laundry. Did you just burp? I think you just burped to my face and then coughed. It's okay. I still love you, no matter what. But yeah, so I actually got some bills in the mail and need to open those up, check my email because I haven't checked in a few hours, and I already have gotten some notifications that I have like a lot of mail to open. So yeah, I'm just going to pretty much, I'm sorry, I don't sound very enthusiastic, I feel like, but honestly, I'm really tired. I have a huge headache, and just you know, whenever like your cheeks feel like you just like blew up a balloon, you know, it's like that weird feeling back here. That's how I feel, and I don't know. I just feel like I just need to like lay down, and I'm probably gonna go sleep early tonight, so I was just gonna end the vlog here because I have some work stuff I have to get done, and then I'm just gonna relax and go to bed. But I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It is now 9:30, and I've already had my morning coffee, did my yoga, meditation, took Ellie for her morning walk. I didn't film any of that just because I was just trying to go through my morning and really didn't think about it. And a video just went live, so if y'all haven't checked it out, it is my moving vlog for moving here. I'll put it at the end of this video, so once I'm done with this video, it'll be up in this corner, I believe. But yeah, so go check that out, and yeah. We are in Riverside. I didn't really talk to y'all much today because it's just been not a very busy day, but yeah, we're just enjoying our dessert here in Riverside.
Go back out to sea, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up.
So I just got back to my apartment from, well, my eyebrow looks crazy, from Riverside, and I have some emails, and I actually have like a lot of work kind of things to do, and I'm helping host my sister's baby shower. So let's see. Bless me. So I have to work on a bunch of stuff like that tonight, so we'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, so it is the next day. I never ended the vlog. I should have just ended it whenever I was talking to y'all last. And my AC is coming on, so I don't know if y'all are going to be able to hear me. But yesterday I was kind of in a funk, and so today I'm going to try and make today like such a great day and such a productive day. I hope y'all can hear me. I really hope y'all can. But yeah, so I'm drinking coffee. I'm about to work on some stuff, and then kind of plan my day and just have like a really fun and like productive day, just so that I'm not like in a funk. I just I think it's just because I'm kind of homesick right now, but I'm trying to stay really positive about it and just have a good day. Okay, so kind of a long time no talk. Actually, I checked my SD card yesterday, and whenever I checked it, all my footage that I had done for the past like 2 days or something, my SD card got full, and yeah, I don't know if I can get it back. I'm gonna try and get that footage back. If I did, you had seen it before this, but if not, I think the last thing y'all might have, actually I don't know the last thing y'all would have seen, but yeah, now today is Thursday the 14th. This video is going to go up tomorrow, and today I actually went for an interview with a showroom, and it was so fun. Very cool and very cool to see and interesting to see. So yeah, I got to go to that, and then I have a few things I have to do. I'm actually about to sign up for my classes for my fall semester. I'm so excited about that. Finally get that done. I'm gonna relax and take Ellie for her walk, and then yeah, but I was gonna kind of show y'all what I wore. I kind of already took some of it off because I just got home, and I'm like, it's like 90 degrees outside, and I'm in like pants, and I had like a jacket on. So pretty much I wore this little black cami with these pants. This cami, I really don't know where it's from, but I mean, you can get them from Nordstrom's. I'm sure Zara has some, ASOS, Revolve, a bunch of places have them. Then I have these pants on, which are from Zara. These are so cute and really comfortable. I love those. And I wore this little blazer jacket over it. It's just like a black little white pinstripe, and then just some nude little pumps. So yeah, that's just what I wore. And yeah, so I'm gonna go sign up for my classes. I will try and film as much as I can today, and then yeah, the video will go up tomorrow, and I hope y'all like it. I'm still new to like trying to vlog and you know, all that, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, okay, so I thought I was gonna show y'all more of my day. Many hours have gone by, and I'm actually taking Ellie on her evening walk right now as the sun's about to go down. Pretty much, I actually talked to some brands, and some really exciting things are happening. It will be coming soon, and some things are coming this week that are super exciting, or maybe next week, that I'm super duper excited about, and y'all will see on my Instagram, so don't forget to go and follow me there and check everything out there. And yeah, I can't talk about too much right now, but I'm super excited. It's been just a really great day, and yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog here because honestly, after I walk her, I'm gonna come home and make dinner, and I don't know if y'all want to see that. If y'all do in future vlogs, let me know if y'all want to see like my meals, like kind of like what I eat my day also, as well as like my vlogs. But yeah, I will see y'all, well, y'all will see this tomorrow. I will see y'all in Tuesday's video? I don't upload Mondays. Yeah, Tuesday's video. Okay, I will see y'all then. Bye.
Tonight we're running on the right track.